How to add music through a Canva video. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now as an example, I'll just go ahead and select a random video template on Canva right here. You can just go ahead and navigate through the side categories that we have right here. Click on uploads, and from here you want to upload your music. In my case, I'll just go ahead and drag my music into Canva and it will automatically upload my music. Now, the way that you can go ahead and add this is by simply dragging it towards our timeline. So we have the time frame of the videos right here, so you can just go ahead and click on your music file and drag it towards our videos. Right after that, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to and you should be good to go. I'll hit on the play button so you can go ahead and see what it came up with. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.